Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a great day from a trading standpoint. We did a live session with our mentorship students just to take them through the chart reading basis the market swings, right? Today's market was very interesting. The first half actually played the way we wanted it to. I said it could surprise upside. The first two trades went well from the support. The third trade, in my case, it hit the stop loss. It was a small stop loss of 12 points. It hit, and then I did not take a trade on the short side. I think around 3 o'clock there was a bank nifty rejig where the proportion of HDFC Bank, Axis, Kotak, everything was coming down. So I think that in that news, right, I gave back my SL, which is okay, as in it will happen from time to time. Surprisingly, the VIX kept on falling, stayed in a range, and then in the last 1 hour it actually took off, right? Now, for tomorrow, this level of 11.25 is very important. Ideally, I was expecting VIX to rise more today. Did not rise. We have an event US CPI and India CPI data. VIX has not risen as much as it should had done, right? So it's completely fine. We'll have to just as in continue trading in a low VIX environment. Now let's get into the chart, right? What did market do today? First trade, I said if it opens somewhere flat or I'll try to take a long trade. So I took a trade right at the confirmation near this support candle, right? It went up. Second time again I took a trade here. It went up. This area, right, which I have marked, I was expecting a breakout and the targets of 44,940 and 45,040. Unfortunately, the selling candle kept coming in. I thought last when this candle happened, this is where I had entered the trade. Post that it actually took a big breakdown. Now, is the market bearish? Again, the question that everyone has is the market bearish? I would say no. Actually, market is trading very close to support. So for tomorrow, right, ideally, if you have a gap down opening somewhere between 44,320 to 44,540, wait, let a bullish candle come in and then go for long. Your targets should be 44,714, 44,790 and 44,901, right? Tomorrow is weekly expiry. Ensure that you keep your quantity under check. A gap up opening now will create some problem, right? A gap up opening now will create some problem around 44,876. If there is a gap up opening, these are all become resistances now. Probably we may see a small selling candle here, a bearish candle, and then it can fall up till 44,600. Flat opening, I personally feel now, flat opening, if it creates a range in the first 15 minutes and then breaks down, you can take a short side trade for 44,464, 44,550, right? So this is what we are seeing on the spot chart. Now let's go to the component chart to actually make our mind with respect to what are the trades which are available from a component standpoint. While the chart is loading, so Indus Ind neutral to bullish above 1385, it can go all the way up to 1398, right? But the big one is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has corrected its trading near its support. Now ideally if it opens gap down between 1614 and 1625, it can reverse. So HDFC Bank for me is neutral to bullish. Today whatever work it had to do, it has done. Next is ICICI Bank, again neutral to bullish. It is actually taking a support. Tomorrow if it goes above 947, you could see 956. Below, if it opens gap down around 934, can take a support. Next is Axis Bank, again a good chart. Axis Bank, it is actually it's just taken out this support, but if you see right around 940, it will have support. So if Axis Bank opens gap down, it will again help the bank nifty to go up because it is gonna take, it can confirm a support here. Next up is Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? Full day was bullish. In the end, it actually took a beating because of the rebalancing. But if you see, right, above 1890, Kotak can attempt 1969. It should be a trade which we should take for a swing. So above 1884, you can add some quantity. Above 1892, you can add the remaining lots. Last one is SBIN. SBIN, I think, was bearish along with HDFC Bank, and it actually in the morning wherever it opened, right, it actually started collapsing. SBI in here, right, I think more or less I was hoping it will kind of not take a resistance and continue moving up, but it has taken a resistance below 588. You can take a short side trade for 582 and 576 as targets, right? So this is what we are seeing on the component chart. Component chart is mixed bag. We may get a trending move because of expiry. I personally feel tomorrow it will be volatile. It won't be, it would be grind for the afternoon session, could be grinding, but I feel it will move both sides. Gap down opening will be the best for Bank Nifty tomorrow, right? Now quickly looking at the options that we have selected, right? So let me take 44,500 CE, 44,500 CE. So 44,500 CE, right? I'll go to 5-minute chart. See very clearly about two, so it should not open below 255. Between 255 and 280, if it consolidates and takes out, we are in the game for the targets of 327, 346 and 3675, right? Put the plan of action is pretty simple. If it opens below 233 and consolidates between 233 197, take a trade for the targets of 270. If it opens flat, and trades between 248 and 279, let it consolidate and break out. Your first target will be 302, next target will be close to 385, and third target will be 439. So actually the option chart is suggesting if the move happens on the put side will be great. Spot and component chart is saying probably tomorrow we could again see a day where it will stay volatile, and because of expiry the option writers may determine the final resting position for the options. Let's look at what is the story on the option writing front, right? On the, see, there is confusion, there is definitely confusion, so that is where I'm taking a base of the option writing as well. So actually 45,000 has become a big resistance. 44,800 is also a decent resistance, guys. The writing on the put side doesn't look encouraging. Let us see historical data where we were a day prior. Call writing is more, put writing is getting less. Probably we may see 44,500 before any up move. The first trade, right, if it opens flat, could be on the downside around 44,500. New put writers come in, they may take. Any case, you will not see a move above 44,800, 900, right? If it's until and unless it's a gap up opening, right? So that is the story on the option side. Quickly, let's look at Nifty 50. Nifty 50, I said do not short. Even in the live session, I explained the reason. Nifty 50 chart is still not confirming any bearish move, guys. These are all the support zones. This is support 1, this is support 2. Tomorrow ideally wait. If it opens in this range and takes out 19,401, you can take the trade for 19,470, right? If you see, there is a decent trend line liquidity which is getting formed here. Breaks out, then you could see 19,500 and 19,530. Nifty do not short. Prime reason is if you see Nifty components, right? Bank Nifty was showing weakness. Nifty IT had some profit booking, but look at the other components, they are all strong. And even Nifty IT is not weak. Actually, if you see, right, it's just taking the profit booking, right? It's created nice liquidity basis the last 2-3 days move as the result season comes in, right? Probably once 29,300 is taken out, you could see 29,700 on us in a single day in Nifty IT. HDFC, we are not. HDFC, definitely there was a lot of profit booking. There was news around the counter as well. So HDFC has shown big movement downwards. We are not looking at HDFC because the stock will quickly go out. Reliance, profit booking. It's again retesting the breakout. If I get it around 2756, I'll take a trade for the 2790. Finally, Infi had profit booking. But again, if you see, right, it's forming a range. Ideally, I would wait for it to consolidate between 1327, 1323 and then take a trade for 1340, 1350 levels, right? So Infi could be surprising us tomorrow. If Nifty IT fires, this could also fire, right? From a stock perspective, I have picked up three. First one, ApolloTyre for shorting. If you see, right, it went up, it's given a good impulse move. See, let's look at a daily chart. It's given a good impulse move, followed it with an indecision candle. In a 15-minute chart, if you see, right, market has formed a small range. Ideally, if it takes out 430 and then comes near 434, it has to take 430 out, then come back to 434. I will take a stop loss of 437 and short it for the targets of 417. Next one is DeepakNitr, has fallen decently well. Now it's trying to form a base and consolidate. Ideally, here I am seeing this movement. So I am expecting one round of move here, then come down and then go up. But this is very much possible in DeepakNitr. Third one is Page Industries. Um, Again a decent stock, no action per se. If you take the trend line, let it consolidate here above 36,072, right? It can go up till 36,458 and 697. So friends, that's it from us. If you are liking the quality of the content, please share it with your friends, family members, and ensure they are joining both Telegram and YouTube channel. For people who are on our YouTube channel and have not joined the Telegram channel, the link of the Telegram is there in the description box. Please do join. And friends, if you have not hit the subscribe button and not kept the alert on, please go ahead and do the same. It will help you access the videos and will give you notification as soon as we go live, right? Tomorrow is an important expiry after critical data which are coming out today. The expiry is going to be crucial. Let's hope we all make decent money and don't end up in a losing spree. That's it from me, friends. Have a great day.